How do you talk to yourself when things go wrong? Most of us are unaware of constant internal dialogue running in our heads, yet this dialogue determines our entire reality. To perform at your best, you need to move from being a passive observer of your moods to being an active creator of your mindset. The 14th strategy is motivate yourself into action. Brian Tracy teaches that your level of motivation is entirely linked to what you say to yourself. In a 22-year study, researchers found that optimism is the most important quality for success. And optimism isn't just a feeling, it is a habit. Optimists do 4 specific things. They always look for the good in a situation. They seek the valuable lesson in every setback. They immediately look for the solution instead of blaming someone. And they constantly think about their goals. They see difficulties not as obstructions, but as instructions. Look, we are all humans and our first tendency is to complain and blame circumstances. As a parent, I completely understand that. Recently, my daughter got sick and I had to cancel all my plans. At first, I was frustrated. But then I caught myself and say, actually, I deserve the day off from work. I can spend this time with her instead of pushing through. I ended up taking 2 days off and it was exactly what I needed. A chance to rest and digest. Your focus works like a camera lens. Whatever you point the camera at becomes your reality. The fastest way to change what you are focusing on is to ask yourself a new question. If you ask, why does this always happen to me? Your brain will find a reason to feel terrible. But if you hit a roadblock and ask, what is the great about this problem? What is the hidden opportunity here? Your brain will instantly shift your emotional state and look for a solution. Your challenge today? Control your inner dialogue. When a problem happens today, and it will, refuse to complain. Catch yourself. Instead of asking, whose fault is this? Ask yourself, what is the solution right now? Is there something good about this? Keep your mind focused strictly forward and eat that frog. See you in the next video.